Hello and welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. I'm going to make a flower crown using some Ivory Trails as a base and then thread in some greenery I've just picked. It's a really easy way of making a crown. It won't last forever, but it will give you lots of pleasure as you waft around your garden, looking at your plants and seeing what's growing. The first thing you'll need is some Ivory Trails. I've picked these and taken off the leaves. I didn't want too many loose floppy leaves falling over my eyes. And what you need to do is circle the trails, get them to fit over your head, and then weave in the loose bits. As you can see, the more you weave in, the more robust your crown will be. I've added in a few trails of ivy, but as you can see, they're quite bushy, but just do it to your own personal taste. So as you pick up a new piece of ivy, get the stubby end and bury that in to the existing trails. And with the flexible end, weave in and out. And just hold that firm, the end piece here, and slide in your next trail, burying it in and just holding it fast with your hands for the moment. If you've got loads of ivy, just keep weaving and weaving. You could go for yourself a really verdant crown. I'd suggest you keep trying it for size every now and again, just to make sure you're not pulling in your crown too tight. When you're happy with the basic structure and it feels a little bit more robust, you can start to slide greenery into the woven sections of ivy. Now your greenery is not going to be in water, and with the heat of your head, your crown isn't really going to last very long. If you wanted to, you could cut your greenery ahead of time and put it in water so it has a really good drink. I've got a selection of greenery here. I've got some magic carpet, some choisia and honeysuckle. Holding each individual bit of greenery with a stubby end in your hand, start to weave it into your crown. The first piece in, and then keep going in the same direction. Because you're just sliding the greenery in, it isn't particularly firm and secure. If you want a bit more security, you could always bind over with string at the end, or even as you go along. And try it for size. It may be that you just want to create an accent area at the front, or perhaps you want to go all the way around, depending on how much fresh greenery you've got in your garden. I'm going to continue on. Always making sure you're following around. So my bushy bit's always at this end, the stubby bit's at this end, and I'll keep going round and round and round and round until I reach the piece of greenery that I started with at the beginning. And here's my finished crown. Not bad for a few minutes' work. What do you reckon? That's all for me for now. I'll see you another time.